Family, Wagwan, year 3 has just been completed. But actually it feels say it was 2 years. However, my first video that I uploaded was in 2020 about October. So yeah, 3 years. And boy, it's been a rough journey. Wagwan family, my name is Garth and I'm a Forex trader, a stock investor, and a future real estate investor. I am also a struggling student at the University of the West Indies. As I said, man did rough. Over time, I got better because initially I started with animation and then I got better with animation. However, the process of animating a video became more tedious because I wanted to upload more videos. And then one video would take, as in like a 1 minute video would take anywhere from half an hour to 30 minutes to animate, and then there's a lot of other stuff that went into it. You have to chop up the audio because I forgot the first and so on and so forth. So it was a tedious process, and gradually I just divest into becoming more like show face and then animation, and it was still taking up a lot of time because I had a lot of stuff doing. And till we're here, where essentially I was talking and then putting 9 video clips over it. And at that time when I did my first video, I think it was last year, because last year I don't remember, but when I got my first iPhone 12, which just going to say iPhone makes it very difficult to use other services or use other brand items. So yeah, I was working with my PC, so I'm gonna change and get a Samsung, which is what I'm recording on now. Well, I had the smaller version to it, then I got the S22 Ultra. So that's what I'm recording with now, because initially I had this phone and it wasn't the best quality. So yeah, I don't know if you guys remember the first time I recorded my video, and it was something because I sweat and all sort of thing, and then I said, oh no, I'm gonna have to worry about cooling. So I ended up to get a little fun. Didn't be too loud, so I get like one of them portable AC there where it helps cool and you don't really hear it like that. So that's the setup part. That's what the setup has been right now. Then I found out that my videos was like kinda dull, so I got some light and then I got a mic to like hear me better. Testing 1 2 3. So there is that, and all of this was in hopes of making more videos, which I have not been doing because I've been trying to flesh out a lot of little stuff that I have. I just got my patent for my clothing brand, so I actually start promoting it now. Yeah, so it's been a lot of little stuff. So the aim for next year, really, even though it's a lot, I'm trying to well, we'll go across 3,000 subscribers. We have faith in ourselves. You see me? If the plan that I have works, then yeah. So as always, like and share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, yeah. Yeah. So even though I have 2 small businesses and work and planning to go back to school to get my master's next year, 2024, I will be uploading more videos. I've always left my videos because I do it as hobby, so I don't really do this like for the money. I just like share information. However, you can't actually make money from it because even though I upload videos so bad, I think I have like $98 on the YouTube studio, but when I check AdSense it's like $92 regardless, 90 something, you see me? And my upload video bad, so you can't make money off it. So why not have the best of both worlds? Share information, and then yeah. Plus I want to get some better equipment, so a new laptop and a camera, because as I'm record from phone. So yeah, because even though I like how my thing look now in a way, still not really it's viewable, but I don't want it better. Eventually this whole setup going to be changing sometime in next year. I don't know. I'm getting a whole room for just video editing or just YouTube and so on and so forth. So yeah, so I'm saying, but they will get better. They will get better over time. Gradually. That is one thing you can ensure. I'm going to always try to find a better way to make videos until I feel comfortable, Yeah, so I have a lot to learn, like color corrections and all sort of stuff, but we'll get it done. So the plans for 2024 for the YouTube channel. There's plans in general which I'll more than likely list next year. I'll probably try to drop it for the first. We'll see how this goes. or like before the teens of the new year. So yeah, we're going to do that. So the plans for New Year's as it relates to this channel is three main things. One, I want to do at least one collaboration this year, like with somebody in my space, or it can be somebody that we can do something pertaining to finance. So I want to do one collaboration. I don't really care if it's big or small, but yeah, I want to drop 4 videos a month. I know, guys, tomorrow they have the first 3 for the New Year's, so one to a good start. The thing is now just for do it and edit everything in succession. So yeah. And lastly, to reach 3,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. I'm going to put it in the description of the channel. Yeah, we must can do it. We're going to do it. All that recap from onwards. None of the goals that I've achieved would not be possible without the persons that are around me. Right? Because they either help motivate me or I motivate them in some way, shape or form, and then it just forces me to do better. Force in a good way. So forcing a good way to be better so that they can be better then. So yeah. Okay, even when people just reach out to me and say, hey Garth, how you do this, how you do that, explain this to me, explain that to me, and yeah, we can do it and so on and so forth. Yeah. it kind of helps, so whenever I reach out to me, as long as you guys are nice, which I've not gotten anybody reach out yet, I guess. So yeah, just know I appreciate everything. Thanks all my friends, on my back, Miss Christy, appreciate you. All of my friends them at UE that I've made along the way, and friends that I left from high school on to college with. Thank you, because I don't think if you guys are not there I would even be able to even pick my classes them, much less graduate. So thanks to my friends there. So thanks to my family. This is the environment you grow up in help, and yeah. Yeah, I appreciate my family very, very much. They're very supportive. They're more like, you'll figure it out, but they'll help along the way where they can. Say, the struggle was real, but we're alright now. So yeah. And last but definitely not least, you guys, my family. You guys motivate me in ways that you don't even know. Cause even before my graduation, I say, yo, that walk up when be
Garth
great.
Grant.
You see me? Post by YouTube and stuff there. So it was motivation all right around. And personally, I accept failures. Like whenever I fail and stuff, and at anything I do. But it's nice to like help, because most of my demographic are persons my age. You see me? It's like 17 to about 30. I'm 22. Nice little nigga. Regardless, it motivates, because they must say, alright, if this 22-year-old, I don't have any tactical advantage over anybody really, because grew up poor. You see me? So yeah, no tactical advantage. One thing I might say is that I have a set of family that will help. You see me? They'll help. And I was obsessed with finance from baby days. So yeah, but that's the only thing we can say. Everything else is just hard work, and literally anybody can do it and even do better than me. Like literally, I think it was like 2 weeks ago or so, one of my friend them text me, and we talk about investment. Meaning, I'm telling you, like, she started investing like a year or so, and then she ended up getting the chance to go overseas. And before that, we were talking. I met her. So you can start invest and buy some stocks and retire early. And she texts me and say, oh, guess what? I'm gonna say, oh, and she say she have over $1 million in her portfolio. I'm happy for her, isn't me? Was so happy for her, isn't me? So yeah, it's crazy. Like, I was so excited for her, like, honestly. And so over there, it's probably still make more and more. So whenever you get opportunity, you can think of investing like saving. You see me? It's not the same, because you can lose your money, but it's not the same. But Jamaica market, really see a true plumbing, especially in the main market stocks. So yeah, it's like a little way for save, plus it has the benefits of giving you money, plus dividends, and so on and so forth, plus capital appreciation. So yeah. And honestly, it's not like it was somebody I know from a long time. You see me? We just met, I think maybe like a year or so ago, and she reached out to me on Instagram, and we did talk, and I'm some there, and my expenses and stuff to her, and yeah, she there. So it can literally be you next, and who knows, just reach out to me and tell me a success story, I guess. I going to be documenting all this, because initially my YouTube journey was to document me from being poor bad to having it, you see me, and having it well off. So so you'll see the gradual thing. Granted, I also have my stock course and everything, and like I just hint at it here and there, because I don't like really selling people things, but I'll launch it on my birthday, so it's easier to keep track of when it actually took place. So yeah, with that said, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and we'll catch you in the next one. And also say hello to my new pets. But as always, guys, love you and see you in the next video.